Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sujata. In this video we are going to learn about the interjection. Okay, what is interjection? An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotions. Okay, joy, sorrow, wonder. Okay, like hello, oh, alas, hush, hooray, wow, toot toot. Okay, I have given some examples here. Okay, based on this. Hello, what is the matter? Oh, has she gone? Oh, what a beautiful sight. Alas, he is dead. Hush, don't make a noise. Hooray, she got the first prize. Wow, what a scenery. Tut tut, prices are increasing. Okay, like this. Ha, has she come? Lash, his father is dead. Hooray, you have got good marks. Bravo, bravo also. Okay, one of the expression. Bravo, you're writing well. Hello, what are you doing there? Okay, these okay, these all are comes under interjections. Thank you. Please do share, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.